Hello students, in this session we will be discussing how to apply for State Public Service Commission examination. As all of you know that every states in India, almost all the states in India conducts the state service examination. So in this session we will be discussing about TNPSC examinations, that is Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission examination. For this you have to go to the TNPSC website, that is www.tnpsc.gov.in. After entering into the website, you have to select new user. Then you have to create a password and a login ID. Then you have to fulfill the first stage in which there are certain information is required, you have to fill it. After that, you will go to the next stage in which your SSLC details, all the communication details you have to enter. After giving save and proceed, you will enter into a stage in which you have to upload your photo and your signature. And in the last stage, you have to do the fee payment. After completing the fee, you will complete your one-time registration. So this one-time registration is the basic, the first step, but this is not an application for any posters. To apply for different posters, you have to remit the specified fee of that particular examination and you have to apply for it. So one time registration is not a application for any of the examination, but you have to do the one time registration, get your login ID and password, then you can go to the website and can apply for the examinations in which you are eligible. So this is a wonderful opportunity for all of you to work in the government sector. As all of you know that there will be posters which is having an eligibility criteria of 10th level education, plus 2 level education, degree level examinations. So you can apply for all the posters. There are group 4, group 3, group 2 and group 1 examinations. So you can apply for the examinations in which you are eligible to apply. So these are the certain things that you have to remember. First, you have to have your mobile phone with you, because you have to enter your mobile number and you will receive an OTP. Second, you have to have your photo in the prescribed format and your signature also. The third, you have to pay the fee through online banking. So these are the certain things that you have to keep in mind. Now I will show you a demo of how to apply for this examination. If you have more doubts, there is one link is given in the TNPSC website, that is how to apply. In that there is a video available. You can watch that video and can understand many more things. Now we will go to the demonstration part. So students, now we will go to the TNPSC website. So this is TNPSC website, that is www.tnpsc.gov.in. Here it is written tnpsc.gov.in, www.tnpsc.gov.in. Then you have to touch the new user. You give OK. Now you have to create a login ID. Check availability. So availability is there. Now we have to create a password. So we have now login ID. Now we have to create a password. So students, I created a password which is extra strong because I used a capital letter, small letter, at then some numbers. That is why it is shown as extra strong. Now I will enter the mail ID. Okay. Then applicant details. If you have initials, you have to enter the initial here. Then you have to enter your mobile number. Always remember that you must use the mobile number which you will use for future, because all the information will be coming in that mobile number only. So I am using my mobile number. Now I will receive an OPT in my mobile, then I have to enter it. You will receive a message in your mobile. So remember that when you are entering, keep your mobile with yourself, so that it will be easy for you to enter the OTP. Sometimes if you are not receiving an OTP, you can click the button resend it. If you have not received it, in my case I have not received an OTP, so I am clicking resend. Refresh your message box. So now I received my OTP number, so that is I am re-entering it. So this is the OTP number. So I gave my OTP number and I gave OK. So don't worry, if you are not getting an OTP in the first place, you select the option resend it. Since I am not from Tamil Nadu, I selected other than Tamil Nadu. My father's place of birth other than Tamil Nadu. Here also I will select other than Tamil Nadu, because I am from another state. Mother's name. Applicant's birth district also I selected other than Tamil Nadu. because I don't belongs to Tamil Nadu. I have not born in Tamil Nadu. So select gender, religion, nationality, citizen of India. Now since I don't belongs to Tamil Nadu, I can select only others. If you belongs to Tamil Nadu and if you are from a scheduled caste community, scheduled tribe community, MBC, you can select your community reservation category here. Then we will click save and proceed. Okay, so we have created a login ID and I have my password also. Now this is the first stage. In the second stage, you have to fill all these details: your SSLC register number, your SSLC month or year of passing, year, date of birth, SSLC education board, certificate number, medium of instruction. All these things you have to fill. Address for communication, permanent address. Then you have to click save and proceed. Okay, after fulfilling the second stage, you have to go to the third stage, that is fee payment. So after filling, this is the second stage in which you have to fill all these details: address for communication, permanent address, all these things you have to fill. Then only you can go to the third stage, that is the fee payment. After paying the fee, you can complete your one-time registration. So this is the third stage. So you have to fill your SSLC details, go to the fee payment section, then your one-time registration process will be complete. After completing the one-time registration, you can apply for the jobs in which you are eligible. I hope you understood. Thank you. If you liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and please recommend this channel to your friends also. Thank you so much for listening. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Stay safe, study well.